Friends, Nicole Vincent here today. We've got a set of lamps to share with you. We purchased these for my husband's office because he doesn't like those fluorescent lights. He really wants a warm toned light. So this one is so cute. It comes in different color shades. So you can find the one that works best for you and different color bases. These are a square shaped base. It was super easy to assemble these. I did get the 2 set, but you can get it single or double. This is a dimmer switch. Here, I'll turn that on in just a second. You've got 2 regular plugs here with 2 prong plugs. And then on this side, you have a Type-C and a traditional USB plug to help minimize all those cords. I'm going to turn off my video light so you can see the light on this one. Oh, it is a nice, warm yellow light. That is the brightest. So I would say it is like maybe the equivalent of about a 40 watt. It's not really bright, but it's a very, very soft, warmed tone, yellow toned light. Very nice. That's the brightest. And then it goes all the way down to, I would say that's probably almost like a 15 to 20 watt. Like it's got a good range there. So loving these lamps. I hope you do too.